Okay, 14 Contenders box. Let's do it. Come on, Zebra. I've been ice cold in this product. Empty. Rough. Base. There's a Cody Parkey. It's always nice to pull a kicker, right? Tandems. Kelvin Benjamin. Just space. You guessed it, base. Oh God, that's awful. That's one of the on cards too. Also Watson. Come on, Panini. That is dreadful. Yeah, I was gonna order some more of this Contender stuff, but the price kind of went up a little bit. It's been pretty awful. I probably just had a couple bad cases of it though. Walt Aikens. Okay. This might be the candidate for the worst box I've had. God, that's awful. Charles Sims. Big thick auto though. Asa Watson and Charles Sims are my on cards. I've just been getting taken behind the shed in with this product. I had 7 cards, I think. Cam Newton MVP. That's kind of cool. Draft class Derek Carr. Legendary? Who is that? Frank Gifford? It looks so young. Asa Watson, huh? That's kind of cool. Playoff ticket Tannehill to $199. There's a winning championship ticket to $99. Bought a ton of winning cards too. Just space. Just space. Trey Mason, Rookie of the Year. Base. There's a couple future franchise quarterbacks, right? Savage and Thomas. They'll be out of the league in 2 or 3 years. Anthony Barr, that's kind of cool. He's a good player. So that's my last auto. I should have a points card in here though. Nope. like the first box I haven't had a points card. Brandon Cooks. I guess if we had 6 autos, there's no points card. Anthony Barr, rookie ink. Keith Winning /99. Tannehill parallel 199. Charles Sims on card. Walt Aikens. Asa Watson and Cody Parkey. Pretty bad.